Cheap travel destinations in Africa. When you hear about Africa, you might be imagining safari trip, skydiving, and scuba diving. The main destinations that people know in Africa are often touristy and expensive and will require you months or more of saving to be able to afford a trip. Worry no more, because in this video, you will find out the 5 cheap travel destinations in Africa. But before getting into it, please subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon for regular updates. Number 5. Kenya. It is a feast for those looking to sample this continent for the first time. From hiking mountains, discovering amazing national parks, spotting insane wildlife, to strolling along beautiful beaches, all you can experience in Kenya. Currently, it is one of the cheapest countries where you can go on a safari trip with choices as fabulous as Amboseli National Park, Nakuru National Park, and the world-famous Masai Mara. For around $410, you can have a 3-day and 2-night safari trips to some of these big-name parks, including food, safari drives, guides, entrance, and accommodation. The estimated daily budget for a shoestring traveler is only at $55. Number 4. Sudan. Many people come to see the amazing Nubian pyramids that are lying semi-abandoned in the desert. In Sudan, everything and everywhere you go costs less than $1. You can find a guest house where the price for a bed is equivalent to $1, and with a menu especially for vegetarians, the national dish, full medames, which is basically beans with bread and peanut oil. Also, you can see everything independently, and you only spend money on food, coffee, water, guest houses, buses, and a camel ride. Sudan's estimated daily budget for a shoestring traveler is only around $13 to $25. Number 3. Egypt. You can opt to venture the place on your own or with a small group of friends and try out the local metro and mini buses to save some cash. From the center at Tahrir Square to the pyramids, the combined travel cost can be under $2 per person. One tip is to present a student ID card at a ticket booth so you can get a hefty discount of up to 50%. Although the Great Pyramid is only $18 for a full-price ticket, you can visit some of the smaller attractions such as the Menkaure Pyramid or Mers Ankh Tomb for only $2. The average room in the center of Cairo will cost around $12, but if you go to a quieter town or stay in the outskirts near Giza, this price can go down even more. Also, you can expect to spend a total of around $3.50 a day on public transportation to get around the place. Number 2. Tunisia. Visits to some of the historical sites in Tunisia are a bargain. Budget guest houses in Tunisia can be found for as little as $12 per night, while food at local eateries costs around only $2 to $4. Then, you can easily take local shared mini buses, known as lounge, around the country for a few dollars. It's totally possible to avoid more expensive organized tours in Tunisia. Tour guides for specific attractions can be sought out in local areas for around $13. Unlike organized tours that can cost you up to $130. Tunisia's estimated daily budget for shoestring traveler is about $35. Number 1. Morocco. This can be the cheapest end of the continent and the classic budget traveler favorite. Morocco has dorm beds in hostels that can be picked up across the country for as low as $6 and usually includes a free breakfast. Meanwhile, local food in restaurants and cafes such as delicious vegetable tagine can be found for around $3, while delicious mint tea or coffee will set you back just $1. Trains and local buses are easy and cheap to use across the country too. Even car rental is affordable, which makes exploring the diverse landscape and ancient cities of this country very accessible. The estimated daily budget for shoestring traveler is at $40. So this is all for today. Feel free to share with us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, give this a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.